This is a story about a brave family. It is late at night. Emma and Oliver are in their beds. Thomas and Anna are sleeping too. But someone is outside the house. A thief is near the door. He wants to open the door. The door is locked. He cannot open it. He goes to the window. Emma hears a noise from downstairs. The window opens a little.
What is that sound? Oliver, wake up. What, I am sleeping, Emma? Shh, listen, I hear something downstairs. I am scared, Emma. Do not be scared. I will get Mom and Dad.
Emma goes to her parents' room.
Mom, Dad, wake up, please! Emma, what is it?
What's wrong, sweetie?
Please wake up! Emma, what is wrong, sweetheart? I hear a strange noise downstairs. I think someone is in the house.
Stay here. I will check. Thomas goes downstairs slowly. He sees the open window. The window is open. Someone tried to come in. Call the police, Anna, now. Thomas checks every room. Nobody is inside. We are safe.
Hello, police? Someone tried to enter our house. Yes, the address is 23 Oak Street. Thank you. Please come quickly.
Mom, is Dad okay?
Dad is very brave. He is checking the house for us.
It is okay. The house is safe.
Dad, I was so worried.
I am here. Everything is fine now.
Ma? What is happening?
Come here, Oliver. Everything is okay.
Soon, the police arrive. Thank you for coming. Someone tried to open our window. The police check around the house. The thief is gone. He ran away. Is everything okay now? The police officer gives Thomas advice. Make sure to check all your locks, including the deadbolt and windows, before you go to bed. Thomas goes back inside to his family.
What did the police say?
The thief is gone. We are all safe now.
I was very brave tonight. Right, Dad?
You were very brave, Emma. You helped keep everyone safe.
We should always lock all windows and doors before bed.
And if you hear something strange, always tell us.
I will always tell you, Dad. I promise. Was there a bad person outside?
Yes, but he is gone now. The police helped us.
I want to be brave like Emma. You are already brave, Oliver.
The family feels safe now.
Let us all sleep together tonight.
Yes! A sleepover with Mom and Dad!
The family goes to the big bed together. Good night, everyone. I love you.
Good night, my love.
Everyone is safe and warm. Always remember, lock your doors and windows at night. And always tell your parents if something is wrong. Be brave like Emma and Thomas. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.